You see them winning, and it hurts, doesn't it? The fancy car, the viral channel, the massive portfolio. You see their success and you want it so badly. You can feel the physical ache in your chest. Now, don't mistake this for greed or simple jealousy. It's actually something much more human. It is your potential screaming at you because it knows you're capable of more. That ache isn't a sign that you're a bad person. It's a compass showing you where you want to go. The problem isn't the desire, it's the shortcut your heart tries to take to get there. So you jump. You start the same business, you buy the same stock, you copy the exact move they made last week, and then you fail. You think it's bad luck. It's not. It's a hijack. Your heart was so blinded by their finish line that it forced your brain to skip your own starting line. You weren't following a strategy, you were following a feeling. And in the world of finance and business, that is the fastest way to lose everything, before the game even begins. This has a name: emotional self-sabotage. Your heart only sees the destination. It feels the reward so intensely that it tricks your brain into skipping the steps that actually get you there. Psychologists call this emotional reasoning. It's when a feeling replaces a fact. I feel like this will work becomes the same as I know this will work. And that one confusion is where most dreams die. In neuroscience, when your desire crosses a certain threshold, your rational brain gets locked out completely. Even Warren Buffett knew this. His rule is simple. If I can't explain why I'm buying this in one clear sentence, I don't buy it. He missed the entire dot-com boom on purpose. Not because he wasn't excited, but because excitement alone is never a reason to invest. Process over feeling. Every single time. Research shows that 90% of startups fail. It isn't usually bad timing. It's founders who were so emotionally attached to their idea that they ignored the market. They poured money into a dream that no one actually wanted to buy. This is how emotions destroy you financially. You see a stock everyone is talking about, and your heart says, this is the one. You invest your savings on a feeling. But remember, excitement is always at its peak, right before the crash. To stop your heart from making these decisions alone, you need a system of friction. Strategy 1, the 48-hour rule. Any big decision made on high emotion must wait 2 full days. The emotional spike always drops. And what remains is the truth. Strategy 2, the pre-mortem. Before you start, imagine you've already failed. Ask yourself, why did it happen? This forces your rational brain to wake up before you hit the gas. Strategy 3, the 10-10-10 rule. Ask, how will I feel about this in 10 minutes? 10 months? 10 years? This pulls you out of the emotional present and forces you to think across time. Your heart picks the mountain. Your brain builds the path. Never let your heart try to build the path. It will always try to skip the hard parts. Your dreams are valid, but the process is the only bridge to reality. Subscribe to Simplyrise for the tools to make your mind sharper. Feel it, think it, then build it.